Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys do not disturb mode guys. How can we disable it? Friends, you want to disable guys your Samsung phone do not disturb mode setting. So how can you disable today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we disable guys Samsung phone do not disturb mode. So first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting guys. So after on phone setting guys, you can see guys this type of settings. So how to disable do not disturb mode setting guys. We will click on guys phone notification setting guys, tap here, do not disturb, tap here guys. You can see do not disturb mode setting guys. First of all you can see schedule option. So guys you can set guys your schedule time, you can save from here, but guys we will cancel it guys, we will off it guys. We will also tap on do not disturb setting, right side icon to disable. After disable guys your all call will unmute guys. You can use your all calls and guys your sound setting without any problem. So like that guys we can disable guys Samsung phone do not disturb mode. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video. Bye friends.